What's up, everybody? Sorry, it's been a long time since I posted a new video, but I've been playing with this a lot. The new GoPro Hero 7 is out. It's pretty cool. I haven't had a lot of time to actually get it in the airplane. I made a quick flight last night from Dickson back to Nashville, just getting the airplane home after it had some maintenance done. And I stuck this in the window to play with the new Hyperlapse feature. So one of the big changes to the newest version of the GoPro is the built-in stabilization that they're calling hyper smooth. It's gimbal-like stabilization. I've gotten to play with it a little bit. It does a pretty good job, but last night I wanted to try out the hyperlapse. So here's a quick video of that just to show it, see how it kind of looks. It's pretty good. I can definitely see where I'm going to use that a lot more, especially on longer cross countries. It's kind of a cool way to capture that extended series. It's very smooth, very clean. Anyway, watch it, check it out. I've got some new videos in the works. Once I get those going, I'll send them. I'll have those posted.